causes keyless entry to stop working? There are a number of reasons why your key fob may stop working, but typically this is caused by a dead battery. We recommend replacing the battery in your key fob every 2 years to prevent this from happening. Before bringing your vehicle in for service, try replacing the battery first. Let me show you how. The first step is to remove the physical key. Press the small button on the key fob while pulling out the side that is attached to your keyring. This will reveal the physical key inside. Next, use the physical key or a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the fob. Pull the two sides apart and remove the old battery. If you have a Cadillac key, it's a little bit different. You insert the physical key into this slot here till the cover pops off. Pull back the silicone cover and remove the old battery. The key fob uses a small coin cell battery, similar to that of a watch battery. Most use a CR2032 coin battery. These can be found at Canadian Tire, Home Depot, or wherever you purchase your batteries. Place the new battery in with the positive side down. Put the silicone cover back if it has one. Close it back up by snapping the two sides together. Then slide the physical key back into place. If you change the battery and are still experiencing an issue, it could be caused by something else. Signal interference, such as weather, activation of your vehicle's anti-theft system, or a problem with the key fob circuitry or programming. Make an appointment with Falls Chevrolet Certified Service and let our experts take it from there. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more automotive tips and tutorials.